What's up guys, Oil Island Fishing here, and I am back on water again. It is very calm this morning. Wind is barely moving. Calm, low tide, very low for some reason. I don't know why. Normally it's high this time of year, but it's extremely low. Perfect condition for side casting, but that water is just chocolate. So I'm anchor right here. I found water slick out here, so I'm gonna try to throw some top water. It's early enough, the sun just start peeking out and bright, but hopefully we can get some fish with the top water. I would love some top water action. If not, I got bait soaking always. Hopefully that will pay off, and if not, nothing on the top water, we'll figure something out. So stick around. Thanks for coming back and tuning in. So here we go. Wish me luck. Hopefully we get top water. If not, whatever it takes. Here we go, guys. Top water, baby. Something small, but hey, anything with a top water, it's always fun. It's one of my favorite ways is catching fish. Top water. Something about top water just make your heart beat, go fast. Something, maybe small little trout. Take that back, guys. They can drag. Oh. It don't feel very good. It's a small redfish. That's a small redfish. Small redfish on the top water, guys. That was awesome. Small redfish on the top water. Here it is. Oh, watch out for those triple hooks. Little rat, top water. First fish of the day. I thought there was some bait action around here. I saw a slick, so I decided to anchor, and sure enough, oh, sorry redfish, I'm trying to let you go anyway. Don't get tangled up. Oh, now he. All right, get this guy off the hook and let him go. Alright, redfish, easy. Be okay. Get this rusty treble hook off your mouth and send you home. Here we go. Skunk is out. Broke the ice, guys. It's a little tiny rat red, but like I said, top water action. Doesn't matter what kind of fish. It's always fun. Let this guy go and see if we can get a bigger one. Fish on the live bait, guys. Fish on the live bait. Just trying to get some snack or a little breakfast. Then sure enough, the live bait got picked up, and I think it's not fighting much, but I think it's a stingray. Yeah. A redfish. No wonder it's fighting weird. I snagged a redfish and the tail on a live bait. Must have took a swipe at it and he's a tiny, small redfish. That's weird. Got hooked right by his anal fin. Here, I'll show you. He's fighting weird, and the water's like boiling real weird. There's a lot of bounce, and I thought it was a stingray because all I saw is his tail. But oh man, it's tangled with the net now. But anyways, let me get this hook off his butt. And ow, easy redfish. It's redfish number 2. Ow, damn, this guy's sharp. Small redfish. It's probably 18 or 19 inch redfish. Let's measure it before we release it. It's redfish number 2. Yeah, just 19 and a half. Rat red number 2. I was eating my muffin for breakfast and middle of my breakfast, man, got interrupted by this rat red 19 and a half rat, and he got hooked right here by his anal fin, and he's fighting weird. I couldn't tell what it was, but there it is. Let him go, put another bait, and finish my breakfast. Bye, redfish. Some small was eating my bait and jumped out the water. Maybe something, a small trout. Still trying to eat it. I can feel it. Something small. He jumped out the water trying to get my bait, and here he goes again. It's right on top. See the boil. Gonna make a mistake and eat the hook part. Realize he made a mistake. I don't know. Uh-oh. Here we go. Got another bite. The other one too. Ooh, here we go. I think this is another trout. Caught a small trout earlier. I didn't even get in the video, but I think this one's a trout. Coming right at me. Coming right at me. Here we go. Oh my gosh. That's a huge trout. It's a nice trout. Oh yeah, he's mad now. It's a beautiful trout, guys. Beautiful trout. Come on in here, buddy. He's got really soft mouth, so you gotta take it easy on this guy. It's a giant trout. It is a giant trout. It's a big trout. Come on, I don't know, I'm speechless like right now. I just saw his head. You gotta play this cool, man. That's huge. That's a gator trout right there, boys. That's a gator trout. Golly. Golly. Got him. That's a gator trout, boys. Look at that. Holy cow. Got him on a light tackle. This is a 1000 Sedona, Shimano Sedona. Let me get him. Oh man. Look at this guy. Holy moly. That's a big trout, boys and girls. Oh my gosh. Let me get him off the hook and get a measurement. Holy cow. Huge trout. It's about time. It's getting hot out here. I caught a small trout earlier. I didn't even get on the video. but just being patient pays off. Look at that. That's a huge trout, boys and girls. That's a big trout. Let's get a measurement, and I'm gonna have to let this guy go. Why am I putting that ruler back? Gotta get measurement. Golly. 27-inch trout, boys. This guy is a 27-inch trout. Whew. God, look at the mouth of this guy. Big, 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 big girl. Oh my gosh. It's got fat tail too. Gotta let her go. Revive her. 27-inch trout, guys. Yes, sir. She's pretty tired. She's not even kicking, but I'm sure she will be okay. Alright, she start kicking now. Yep, she start kicking. Come on, baby. I think I got a bite too. There you go. Give him a little push, he's gone. I think I got fish. Crazy. There we go. That big girl swim off strong after for a good while, reviving it. And I got another trout. This one's a baby compared to that one. That's a mean girl. It's a mean little. Come on, man. Come on, let's go. Let's net him. There we go. Let's see how is this one measure. Uh-oh. Come on. It's 15, I'm keeping it. It's broken. Trade that big girl with this one. Easy. This one is 16-inch trout. Alright, this one is going on ice. Yep, and it's bleeding, so when you get hooked and their tongue out, they start bleeding real bad. 16-inch trout. Let that 27-inch go, and we're gonna keep this one. Good to eat. We're eating good today. It's getting hot too, man. I don't know if I'm gonna stay longer out here, but I'm gonna hang around, I don't know, 30 more minutes, and I'm gonna wrap it up. It is getting stupid hot out here. Hey, I got some footage. I got, I think, what, 2 redfish, 2 rat reds, small trout, then the big trout, and then this. So we're gonna keep it though. It'd be nice if I get one more of these, make a meal out of it, and we'll stick around a few more before it gets deadly hot out here. This guy's going on ice. I know there was a school of trout here. Went back on the top water because the water is so flat, and I got another one on the top water in the middle of the day. Hey, hopefully this one's a keeper. It's not humongous. It's coming right at me, but it looks like it's a keeper. Yep, come on, buddy, let's go. Oh yeah, that looks like a keeper. Okay, if it's a keeper, then we're gonna have 2 keeper trout, 4 eyes, camera right off, and of course, where'd he go? Under the seat. Come on, man. Don't be shy to the camera. Jesus. Slimy. I gotta dig him out. There he goes. There he goes. This one's look like a keeper. Yep. It's even better than the one that we put on ice. This is 17. So we got a meal. We got a meal, guys. We'll put this on ice with his other buddy, and we're gonna have some fish fry today. Alright, we settle down. Let's throw this top water back out there. Hopefully the school's still there. And one more, and I'll be good. There's trout here, right in front of me. But they're not committing with the top water. They swipe at it, but they're not going at it hard. So switch with DSL, and we'll see if we can get him to bite this. All I need is one more, so I can have 3 trouts worth of cleaning them. So I'll just need one more. Oh, here we go. Yep, a DSL trick work, but I don't think this guy will keep it. They're small, man. Their dots are very easy. Their dots are very dark and pretty. Yeah, they didn't want that top water anymore. They were just pissed off. I didn't just start swiping it, but the DSL did the trick. But it gave us a small little trout, tiny. One more keeper. Let's go out there fast before they change their mind. One more keeper, guys. One more keeper. Well, guys, I got my 3rd trout, but I didn't get it on the video. Battery died. Got new battery in there now, but I got my 3rd trout. That's all I need. I don't really like to stack up a bunch of these trouts because they're not very good when they're not fresh. So I got a, what is it, 16, 17, and a 19-inch trout. That's plenty of fish for dinner. My eyes are melting, so I gotta get out of here. And I'm melting. Oh my gosh, it's too hot in here. All I want is 3 trouts, keeper trouts. We have a lot of action today. Man, we got a lot of action. I think we got a couple rat reds and some trout and that one big mama. So I'm gonna wrap it up, man. It's getting freaking hot. It's ridiculous. No breeze, as you can see behind me. The water is flat. I mean, it's good for kayaking, but when it's hot like this, you don't have no breeze. Oh man, muskol feel like it's gonna crack. Oh man, like I said, I'm gonna put these guys on ice, back on ice, pick up everything, and I'm gonna get out of here before I start seeing things. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.